Let's create the color split effect in Photoshop, not just with one method, but with two different methods which not many have talked about. Also, the second one gives you more control over this effect. With the image is already imported in Photoshop, let's get started. First, let's create copy of the image and hide the original one as backup. Now go to the channels panel here. If it's not visible, then activate it by going into the Windows tab and then Channels. Here, as all four layers are selected, let's select the red layer, which will automatically hide other layers and make image appear desaturated. Now go to Filter and we can see options are not activated because the image is a smart object. So go back to the Layers panel and rasterize the image. Now, by making sure the red layer is selected in Channels panel, go to Filter, Distort, Shear and move the line a little bit. Also, if you want, you can add points on it and make a curved shape for the colors to appear. And not to forget, undo and delete cannot remove these changes. So press Ctrl or Command, which turns the cancel option into default option. And by clicking it, you can start again. Select Repeat Edge Pixels for undefined areas and press OK. Now turn on the visibility of the RGB layer on the top, which automatically turns on the other two layers. And here you can see the color splitting in red, green and blue. If you want, you can do the shear filter for blue and green layer as well. And also you can add a subtle noise filter by going on to the Filter, Noise, Add Noise with 15 to 20% along with the Gaussian distribution. In the second method, we have more control on which part has the effect and which part doesn't. We don't need to rasterize the image this time. So first go to Image, Adjustments and Black and White. We can skip this if we want to keep it colorful like the previous one. Now let's duplicate it and double click on the layer to open the layer style window and uncheck the G and B checkboxes of channels. It is the same as doing it in the channels panel. Press OK. Now go to Filter, Liquify and in the Liquify window, open View Options and check Show Backdrop. Now select the Freeze Mask tool and paint on the parts you don't want the effect on. Like here, I don't want it on her face. Then select Forward Wrap tool, increase brush size and check Pin Edges, which doesn't let the edges of the image to liquefy. Now move the parts on which we need the effect. Press OK. Then if we want to make the effects pop more, add Curves Adjustment layer and move the points something like this. So here it is, the color split effect. If you are watching till here, like the video, subscribe to the channel and comment which effect should we create next. Also follow me on my socials, links are in the description. Until next time, keep watching Haynes Graphics.